This Tech Camp ministry has the purpose of creating a platform where we can have a good relationship, a healthy relationship with teens that are participating, learning programming, learning video editing, and learning some other subjects that within time we are creating. This past weekend, we have the opportunity for the very first time to have this Tech Camp live in our city of Rio Bravo through our CRF church, and the kids and teens were very excited learning all about this introduction to programming and video editing. Our folks in our CRF church team were very excited also because they had the opportunity of helping throughout several things all these kids. This Tech Camp was a real success and created a momentum that is going to allow us to restart or resume the activities of our after-school program. We would like to thank our brother from Rock Point that visited us, and also our brother from Young Living Stones. We are very thankful, Grayson, Maria, Noel, Sean, and Janine for coming here and helping us. And also we would like to thank your participation in all of our activities that we had this past weekend. Thank you all. Very grateful to God and to you.